And we're back to learning Photoshop, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this wave text effect. I found this via a Google search and I thought it would be interesting to recreate it. So this is the effect. Let me make that invisible and we'll start with a white background, create a new layer, use the type tool and type in wave, for example, in all caps. I use Bahnschrift bold, or you can use any font that you want. Afterwards, press Ctrl T and resize it. I want to have it as big as possible for this canvas. Then press Ctrl A and put it to the center with the top menu. Now press Ctrl J to copy it. Put the copy below our text and then resize it once more, pressing Ctrl T. I want to have it as big so that it exceeds the canvas like this. And now I go down with the opacity. Now let's get back to our original text layer, so this one, right click and convert to Smart Object. Afterwards filter and we can apply the liquify effect. The size is the most important here, so something like 1000 is way too big for this canvas size. Let me go down to 77, that's way better. Something like 9 or 10 is way too small. So it should be around 50 in my case. I've got 1280 x 720 as a canvas size in pixels. So this is a good size. The pressure is also important. So the higher you go, the further these waves will transform the text. And if you go too low, there's almost no effect. So in this case, something like 50 or 60 should be fine for both, so size and pressure. If you don't like what you've got, you can always click on the liquify, just double click, and then press Ctrl Z. And it will undo all of the changes and you can adjust it once more. When you've got what you want, just press OK. And afterwards you want to add a gradient map, go to adjustment layers, find the gradient map, then click on this scale. And you can choose some presets. You can add more with this settings function. Now let me reset this, so this should be by default what you see, and then you can append more and more of these sets. So for example the pastels, and then apply it. And this is how you can create this wave text effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.